In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete connections on LinkedIn. Managing your professional network effectively is crucial, and sometimes that means removing certain contacts from your LinkedIn profile. Let's walk through the process step by step, so you can streamline your network with ease and confidence. First, we need to get started by navigating to the LinkedIn website. Open up your web browser and type in linkedin.com. This will take you directly to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll see options to sign in. You can log into your account using your Google or Microsoft credentials. Alternatively, simply enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. Don't worry, just follow the instructions and input the code sent to your registered phone number to ensure your login is secure. After logging in, shift your attention to the top section of the homepage. You'll notice a series of icons. Among them is the My Network icon, which looks like two connected heads. Clicking on this icon will direct you to the area dedicated to managing and growing your professional connections. Once you're in the My Network section, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You'll find a menu there, and one of the options will be labeled Connections. Click on it to bring up a list of people you are currently connected with on LinkedIn. Now, scroll through your connections list until you find the person you wish to remove. If your list is quite extensive, consider using the search bar at the top of the page for a more convenient and quicker way to locate them. Once you've identified the connection you want to delete, hover your cursor over their name. You'll see the More icon, represented by three dots, appear beside their name. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the option to remove connection. Selecting this option will proceed with removing the person from your network. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete a connection on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you can ensure that your professional network on LinkedIn remains current and relevant to your career goals. Don't hesitate to repeat these steps if you need to manage more connections. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.